Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with Me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
All right, it's now time for unboxing. So this is me unboxing my grocery. I'm in the kitchen, and this I purchased at PriceSmart. Loud. Right, so I shopped at PriceSmart online, and then they delivered my products, my groceries for me. So PriceSmart delivered it to Doorway Express, and then Doorway Express delivers it to me, and I'm so thankful for both of them. So this is my meat. So I got chicken. This is boneless chicken thighs. Yes, and then I got 2 whole chicken, which I'm about to show. And that's some toothpaste, baking soda and peroxide. That's my favorite Colgate toothpaste to use. I still have my No BS that I use, and I have, what's that one called? Neem. I use Neem as well. Yeah. So that's the boneless chicken thighs. This is chicken leg and thigh, leg quarter. And then these are the 2 whole chicken. Yeah, and I'm gonna pack those away into the refrigerator. So whenever I'm packing my chicken, my meat into my freezer, I put them into another bag first and then put them into the freezer, because I just don't like when the refrigerator is dirty. I don't like it. OCD. Yeah. What's happening over there? I love unboxing. I love unpacking. I love unveiling. I just like to, do that kind of thing. Right. More bags. So you can see it better. Yeah. Ooh. We're putting the meat away. Yes, girl. Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. I wasn't trying to slam the refrigerator door, but it's very heavy. It's like you have to push it with intention. Garbage, as you can see, I always pack my garbage away as I go along. Again, OCD. I don't like when I'm done. I have a lot more work to do. I'm like, why? Yes. So I put away the garbage as I go along. Yeah. So that is scallion, spring onions, tomatoes. I think that was butter that I just put down. No, that's the butter. So what was it that I put down? Oh, the other one I think is the blueberries that I just put down, but we'll see it. That's butter. Yeah. The other bag. All right, that is Cheetos, garlic, some onions, red onions, tuna. I don't remember I had tuna here. Yes, tuna. I did my shopping, I think it was on Friday. Was it Friday? Today is Monday. I think on the 3rd of July. That was when I got my shopping. And that's garlic naan. And the other thing was rice, Thai rice. And that's ranch dressing, creamy. Yeah. And that is avocado oil. Yes. Oh, yeah. Garlic naan, tandoori. It is so delicious. I had it for dinner today. I had the naan with jerk chicken and some homemade coleslaw. Oh, delicious. Yeah, that's the blueberries. Very fresh and delicious. Yeah. And I only buy seeded fruits. Ranch dressing, tuna, as I said before, onion. So pretty much you've seen everything. So let's just scroll down a little bit. Oh yes, so I bought a pot, CERAMAX. And we're going to open it now. Oh yeah, you know I like to unbox. Tingles. I love this pot. I've used it twice so far and I absolutely love it. Yeah. So of course that's a steamer for like the vegetables. Really, really like this pot. It's very handy, right size. When I was purchasing it, I wanted something that was not more than 3-4 quarts. Perfect. Yeah, this is the only pot I've used so far. Since I've purchased it, is the only pot I've used so far to cook for the entire time. Wonderful. So that is it. Pretty much done. So this is just me showing you. Hold on. Right, so that's all that I ordered this time around. I'm just showing you everything that I said I had. Yeah. That's it. Thai jasmine rice. I really like that kind of rice. I don't like the one with the, oh, and papaya. I got papaya as well. I don't like the jasmine rice with the scented one. I don't like that one. Harpic and some air freshener. Yeah, the ranch. And I had some, yeah, all of that. The butter. Yeah, that's it. So that's what I got me today. That's what I got me today for groceries. Now, I want to share with you the tip for today. So here's our tip for today. So when unboxing, inspect before you invade. Look with your eyes before you touch with your hands. Why? Counterfeit products, tampered seals, and shady substitutions are real in the era of mass fulfillment and drop shipping. Do this. Check for resealing. Check for resealing, torn tape, double labels, odd smells. And I did all of that when I was doing it. Number two, verify labels and logos. Counterfeiters often get sloppy. Snap a quick photo or video before opening for proof in case you need to report an issue. So that's our tip for today's unboxing. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.